In this video, we will show you how to cancel Wix subscription. If you guys want to get started with Wix, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the premium subscriptions page with your Wix account. Then click the more action icon next to the plan you wish to cancel and select cancel plan. After that, click cancel now to confirm your cancellation. If you cancel your subscription after 14 days money back guarantee, your plan will remain active until the end of the billing cycle, whether monthly or yearly. You can still change your mind before the expiration date by turning auto renewal back on. Be sure to check your billing history for payment dates and to view your subscription's expiration date. If you're looking for other options before canceling, you can switch to a monthly billing cycle or consider getting help building your site. You may also want to transfer your plan or site to another Wix account or explore additional marketing tools to help boost your site's visibility. Keep in mind that canceling your subscription does not cancel any domain, business email, or app subscription you have with Wix, and this must be cancelled separately. If you wish to delete your site, you should first cancel your plan and delete your site. So that's how to cancel Wix subscription. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Wix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.